What you doing? Huh? What you doing in there? Okay. Woo! What you doing? Huh? What you doing? You splashing? Where you going? There you go. Hit the ball. Hit the ball, Mason. Woo! You're a big boy, aren't you? That water's way over your head, isn't it? Huh?
Nope.
Sure it is. You going to get your ball?
Nope.
Can you wave? Say hi.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Hi, Gracie.
Hi, Gracie. Is that what you said? Hey, Gracie?
Hi, Gracie.
Can you say hey, Marius?
Hi, Molly.
Hey, Horace. You're not going to say hey to Horace?
Holly.
Horace, there you go. Tell him you're having fun in your pool.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here he comes. Are you splashing, Mommy? You are, aren't you? I'm going to splash you back. You ready?
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Here you go. Right?
Woo!